Hello, thank you for considering helping me with my fish. I'm sure you will be the best guardian there is. Yes, I'll be doing my absolute best. I will be hiding on that roof over there so I can know when the fisherman comes out to fish. How long is this fisherman gonna take? I've been waiting here for hours. What a nice day for fishing. Nice day for fishing. Nice day for fishing. Aha, that's him. I'm gonna go. Yeah. What a nice day for fishing. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. I'm sorry, but fishy. Hey, I did it. What did you do? I looked after your fish. Oh yeah. I sorry about that. I put him into this bucket instead.